another video. If you don't know who I am, I'm your beauty plug, okay? On my channel, you can find topics that include skincare, okay? How to level up mentally and physically, and also we touch on some spirituality, okay? So just call me the level up plug, the beauty plug, whatever you want to call me. I'm your girl, okay? When it comes to beauty and anything related, inside and out, I'm your girl. All right, so today's video is going to be a unboxing lookbook type of video. These are for these new boots that I got online, okay? I purchased them from Steve Madden. They're over the knee lava boots. They're super cute, y'all. It's such a statement piece. I actually bought them on an impulse, and then I was like, oh my God, how am I gonna style them? But I went to my group, Bomb Beauty Queens. If y'all aren't a part of the group, I don't know what you're waiting for. I'll leave the link in the description box to sign up. We talk about, it's just a Facebook group, and we talk about all things beauty, okay? So they was like giving me some, you know, they was like, they're neutral, so you can pretty much wear them with anything. So I was like, say no more. I went to my closet. I pulled out some neutral dresses and pieces that I haven't worn before, and I styled them with the boots. So I put together those looks, and I'm gonna show y'all what they look like. But before we get started, y'all already know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Turn on the notifications so you'll never miss another video from me, okay? And we're gonna go ahead and get started, y'all. Okay, y'all, so this is the unboxing for the Steve Madden. These are the lava boots. Okay, so I'm just doing an unboxing. Okay. So these are a size 9.5. I got them in a, there's a half a size bigger, because like Steve Madden is known to have shoes that run a little bit small. Like, for those of you who are familiar with Steve Madden, you know that though, like, Steve Madden shoes can really hurt your feet. So I've got I just went up a half a size. So yeah, so these are 9.5. So this is the bottom. So this is like the patent leather material. So I'm gonna try them on. And these, you know, these go over the knee. So I'm gonna try these on with a couple different outfits so that you can see how I style them and how they look. So I'll be right back, y'all.